We are in this little French medieval town on the way to Paris, and Phoenix is going to take you for a little tour around the city. Yeah? Let's do it.
Semur-en-Auxois.
So this is the newer part. Still looks pretty old, but it's pretty new, this part. I'm going to go into the middle of the really old part that's about 900 years old. Crazy. Even the church did some research, and supposedly there's all these bodies buried under the church. And the old lords and all the townspeople that were pretty big back in the day. Looks like the start of the medieval little village thing. Check out the road. That's about 500 years old. Pretty crazy, mate, eh? Look at the old building up there, falling over. This way, mate. Yeah, this is where they're really, really old.
Show them about the road. Show the road.
Yeah, I did already. Yes. Yeah, this is a really old part. Check this out. Here we go.
I'm really cold right now. I'm really cold right now.
Check that out.
This is where you used to live.
It's a really, really old little
Yeah, this is where you used to live, and then
French.
we got somewhere else.
Doo-doo. Look at this. Check out the old cobblestone road. The old little French little street here. This must have been the busy part of the streets. Wee. We're gonna head this way. It's gonna head all the way to the church. Check out the old road. It's ridiculous. Like 500 years old. Little French windows up here. Here we are, we're going to walk around the corner and then we're going to get to that medieval church. Here it is. Do-do-do-do. Like a bonsai tree, yeah.
Maybe olive.
Here's the medieval church. It's about 900 years old. I forget the name of it, but it's some kind of... What's it called?
It's called the Church of the World.
Oh, is it? Okay, the Church of the World.
High above the winding Armenton River
Wee.
stands the medieval city of Semur-en-Auxois.
Franchos.
A place shaped by stone, power, and faith. Long before France was a nation, Semur was founded as a fortress. Its position was no accident. Built on a granite promontory, surrounded on three sides by water and cliffs. It was naturally defensible, a stronghold in a violent age. By the 10th century, Semur had become a strategic seat of Burgundy, guarding trade routes that linked northern Europe to the south. Merchants, soldiers, and pilgrims all passed beneath its walls. The city grew inward, tightly packed, protected by ramparts and towers. Among them rose two great towers, symbols of authority and vigilance. They were not merely architectural features, but eyes over the valley, watching for invasion, rebellion, or fire. From these towers, guards once scanned the horizon day and night. Their presence reminded all who entered. This city was strong, ordered, and prepared to defend itself. At the very heart of Semur stands its spiritual and civic center. The Collégiale Notre-Dame de Semur-en-Auxois. Construction began in the early 13th century, at the height of Gothic ambition. Unlike a monastery, this was a collegiate church, served by canons, not monks. Built for the people of the city, its soaring stone walls and stained glass were meant to lift the eyes heavenward, to reflect divine order on earth. For medieval citizens, this church was not only a place of worship, but a center of life. Baptisms, marriages, funerals, and public gatherings all unfolded here. Beneath its floors lie the dead. Clergy, nobles, benefactors, and prominent townspeople were buried within or below the church. A privilege believed to bring them closer to salvation. To be laid to rest beneath sacred stone was to remain part of the city forever. Their names may be lost, but their presence still rests below, silent witnesses to centuries passing overhead. The people of Semur lived hard lives. Most were artisans, traders, farmers, or soldiers. Disease, war, and famine were constant threats. Yet within the walls, life persisted. Markets echoed with voices. Bells marked the hours, and faith offered meaning amid uncertainty. Semur endured feudal wars, the rise and fall of dukes and kings, and later, the upheaval of revolution. Unlike many medieval cities, it was never erased. Its streets were not rebuilt into modern grids. Its towers were not torn down. Time slowed here. Today, Semur-en-Auxois remains one of France's most intact medieval cities, a rare survival. Its towers still stand watch. Its church still rises above the rooftops, and beneath its stones, the past remains, not gone, but waiting.
We're back out. Looking at some of these old doors, they're so small. I hit my head. But that is rocks and mortar, render. Look at that. Oh, look how plumb those corners are. Ooh. Restaurant. Look how old they are. These buildings are made from just rocks and mortar. Crazy. Even these brick walls. The walls are so old. Everything's old. Skinny roads too. Not very good for cars. It's like a one-way street. Oh yeah. It's like an old well down there. Such a cool little old city. A medieval city. Definitely it's crazy how they just get the rocks and just glue them together with mortar. There's no like, not very straight, it's just like zigzag walls. No plumb bobs, no levels. Oh, here comes a dog. Here he comes. See you, mate. See you, bro. And now we're back into the newer part. Here we are, we're walking back to the car. Small little tour of the village, look up there. You can see it. It's obviously expanded since it first started to the old stuff to the new stuff, but heading back to the car. And Phoenix, guess what?
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Don't forget to what?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
See ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe.